In Python, range is a data type as well as range is a function also. First, let's understand about the range function. It is a built-in function used to generate sequence of numbers. Here, we print range 0. That means from 0 to 0 print. The output of this program will be 0, 0. And when I see the print list range 0, that means print from 0 to 0. That means nothing is going to print. So empty square bracket will come. Let's run this program. So the output is range 0, 0 for the first statement, and for the second statement it's the empty brackets. Now print range 10. That means from 0 to 10. The range will be 0 to 10. If I print the list, it will print all the elements from 0 to 9. 10 means exclude the 10. Up to 9. Give me a range. 0 to 9. So what is the data type of a range? Here I am creating a range 0 to 5 and storing it into the X. And then I print X, and then I print the list of X, and then type of X. So the type of X will give me a class range, because now the data type of X is range. So if we run the program, we will get the output class range for the third statement of print. So why Python uses range data type? Because range saves memory. Instead of storing all the members at once, it generates number when needed. Suppose if I create a range of 10 million, it is not going to create at this moment of time. It will create when it is required. So here Python does not store 1 million number immediately. Some basic syntax we will see. Range takes 3 parameters: start, stop, and step. So start is where the sequence begins, stop is where the sequence ends, and step is how much to increase or decrease each time. So if I say print range 5, the output will be 0 to 5, range 0 to 5. If we print the list of range, it will give 0 to 4, exclude the 5. 2 to 6, start from 2 up to 6. It will print if we give a list. Range 1, 10, 2, step will be 2. After every, first it will print 1, then plus 2, it will be 3. Like this it will go on. So let's print the list of this range. So let's run the program and see the output. So with first statement, we will get 0 to 5 range. Second statement, it will give the list 0 to 4. Here, with the third print statement, it will give a 0 starting from 2 to 6. And from the fourth statement, it will give 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The very important rule is that the range accept only a decimal, not float. Here if we give a float in range function, it will give you an error. So to correct this, we need to give an integer inside the range function. And if I run it, it will give range 0 to 3. So this is all about range function.